Good morning, class. This is the last day before your summer vacation. So, class, I'm not going to teach you any new thing. In this class there will be only revision of the all work, whether it is literature work, language work, or reader and workbook. I will tell you what you have to write in your copy. As there are many new students who have not attended the class from the first day, so this video will help you to complete your work. As we first we will talk about reader book. This small book is your reader book, and we have completed 2 chapters. First chapter is poem, and second chapter is a story about a little girl Tia and her friend and their kitten. So class, in this chapter, first poem, you have to write poem in your copy. First thing that you have to do, write down the poem in your copy. Then word meaning, there are only 2 word meaning. And then exercise number first, tick the correct option. Exercise number first, tick the correct option. And while writing, tick the correct option. Class, write the correct option only, and then write the statement, then correct option only. And then question number 2. Question number 2. One thing, class, coriander. When we talk about green coriander, it is herb. It is herb. When we talk about dry coriander seed, it is spices. So class, what you have to write, you can write coriander at the spices side or at the herb side. Okay. Then chapter number 2, Tia's kitten. You have to read the chapter with the help of video. You will get the meaning, and then write the word meaning, and then exercise number first. This is exercise number 3rd, but when you are writing in your copy, you have to write it exercise number first. Okay, so this is for reader book. Now workbook. Workbook, the first chapter is the word in a wall. The word in a wall. So you have to write this exercise number first. You don't have to make any copy if you have your workbook. If you not have your workbook, then you have to make a thin copy to write all these exercises. First write exercise number A, then exercise number B, means 3rd. Then this exercise, punctuation mark. Exercise number A, B, means 1, 2, 3 and 4 of page number 11. Exercise number A, B, means 1st and 2nd of page number 12. Exercise number 3rd of page number 13. Okay. Now in course book. In the course book, first you have to write a poem. You have to write this poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. You have to write this poem, class. And then Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, written by Robert Frost. And then word meaning. Then you have to write word meaning. And then chapter number first, The word in a wall. The word in a wall. Here you have to write, first read the chapter and then write the word meaning. Write the word meaning and then question answer. Question number A to question number H. Question number A to question number H. And then refrain contest. Question number 2. And now at the last, language work. In language we have completed 2 chapters. First chapter is the sentence. What you have to write first? You have to write the definition of sentence. Definition of sentence with 2 examples. With 2 examples. And then all these exercises. Exercise number A, exercise number B, exercise number C, exercise number D, and exercise number E. This is for chapter number 1st. In chapter number 2nd, kinds of sentence, write definition of assertive sentence with 2 examples. Definition of assertive sentence with 2 examples. Then definition of interrogative sentence with 2 examples. Definition of imperative sentence with 2 examples. With 2 examples. And then negative sentence, definition of negative sentence with 2 examples. Then exclamatory sentence with 2 examples. And then exercise number A, exercise number B, exercise number C. And then let's revise part. Exercise number A, exercise number B, exercise number C. Okay class, watch the video and complete all your work. If your work is not complete and you have to do holiday homework in your worksheet and exercise of chapter number 3rd and 4th in language in your book only. Don't write it in the copy. And learn chapter number 1st in literature class. Okay, thank you class.